The first secret to adding up time is to make sure that you enter the times with a colon. So that's using the shift key and the semicolon key to get the colon in between. So then we just need to add it up. I'm just going to use Alt and equals to add that up, and quite clearly that total is not right. All we need to do is come to the custom format area, more numbers, and under custom scroll down and find the format that's got a square bracket around the hours. Click on OK, and there you are. There's your 32 hours. If I change this to 2 hours 30 and this one to 10 hours 45, it knows it's 60 minutes in an hour, so that time is still correct. Have a go and see how you get on.